Morning students, how are you? Are you writing fair notes or not? You must write fair notes as well as we completed FA1. Some of you are, if you are yet now you didn't write, so complete within 1 week. So watch my videos and pen it down on your notes. Okay. So how can you write notes? So first take one chapter, lines and angles. Take your textbook, write introduction, main definitions, properties, then write some examples. Then watch my videos, write the explained problems from exercise. Okay, these are the steps to write the fair notes. You must watch TSAT classes, my classes, and write your fair notes. If you have doubts, you can ask. See, we are discussing lines and angles. Exercise 4.2. See fifth problem. First open your book and see fifth problem. In the given figure, see, in this given figure, angle PQR equal to PRQ. Angle PQR equal to, these two angles are equal. Then show that this angle, we prove that these two angles are equal. So to prove these two angles equal, see, you can observe these two angles are linear pair. Okay, yes or no? This is a straight angle. This is a linear pair. So sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So here PQR equal to PRQ. So we prove that PQS equal to PRT. So angle PQR plus PQS equal to 180. These two angles sum of these two angles is 180. Straight angle, linear pair, 180 degrees. So these two angles sum is also 180 degrees. These two are also linear pair. Now, so this pair of angles sum 180. That means these two pairs are, sum of these two are equal. That is angle PQR plus angle PQS equal angle PRQ plus angle PRQ. So, but here PRQ, what we can write PRQ? PQR. So PQR cancel. So angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So we proved the required result. So now let us see one next problem, sixth one. Read the sixth problem. I will explain you. See children, next sixth problem. In the given figure, x plus y. In this figure, the sum of these two angles x plus y is equal to w plus z. Then prove that AOB is a line. Okay. So here, what is given? Sum of these two angles is equal to x plus y equal to w plus z. We prove AOB line. To prove AOB is a line, we prove that sum of these two angles is 180. Okay. If x plus y is equal to 180, then this is a straight angle. This is the linear pair. So AOB is a straight angle. Straight line. Okay, so we prove, to prove AOB is a straight line, we prove that x comma y are linear pair. So here see, if you observe x plus y, if you add these four angles, that becomes one complete rotation. So sum of these four angles is 360 degrees. See here, x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360. But what is w plus z? X plus y. So write w plus z equal to x plus y from 1. So now x plus y. How many x plus y's are there? 2 x plus y's. So 2 of x plus y equal to 360. So x plus y equal to 360 by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 180s are. So x plus y equal to 180. So what we can say, x comma y are angle x, angle y are linear pair. That means this line AOB is a straight line if these two angles are what? Linear pair. So we can say this is a straight line. Okay. Next, let us see next problem. See children, seventh one. In this given figure, PQ is a line, OR is a ray, OR is a ray perpendicular to PQ. Are you getting? PQ is a line, OR is a ray perpendicular to PQ, and OS is another ray. This ray lies between these two rays. Okay, OS is a ray, this lies between OP and OR, between these two rays. Okay, now we prove that angle ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. So to prove this, first you can observe this is the right angle. So that means this is a straight line. So this is 90 degrees means this is also 90 degrees. So it is a straight line, it is perpendicular means this angle is 90, this angle is also 90 degrees. So indirectly, so angle ROQ 90 degrees, POR 90 degrees. These two angles are equal. Okay. Now here see, this lies between these two rays means this total, these two are equal. Okay na? This OS ray lies between OR and OP means these two angles are equal. That is angle ROS equal to POS. Okay, this is one conclusion. Now next let us take what we prove, angle ROS. So let us take angle ROS equal to ROS. So these two are equal. Equal means this angle ROS is the half of the total. That means half of POR or ROP. So this angle is equal to half of the POR. So next angle ROS. Let us take angle ROS equal to half of POR. But what we prove here, QOS minus POS. So POR is 90 degrees, ROQ is also 90 degrees. So I am writing POR is equal to ROQ. Next ROQ, how can you write ROQ? ROQ equal to, we can write this angle is equal to this total angle minus, okay now, this angle is equal to this total angle minus this. This total angle is QOS minus what? QOS minus QOR. Okay. ROQ. What is ROQ? This ROQ is equal to QOS minus QR. Sorry, 1 minute. See, this total angle. This total angle can be written as ROQ. So this right angle can be written as this total angle minus this. Simple. This right angle is, I am writing this total angle minus ROS. But what is ROS? ROS is equal to POS. Angle POS. Okay. So we prove the required result. Okay. Write down in your notes and also write the examples.